Oh, here, I like this song. What's Daddy doing? Oh. Oh, Popple, here. Are you comfortable with something like that, or you want to go up a little bit? Here.
I was dancing.
How about that? Are you dancing?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to dance some more?
Yeah.
You want to hold it? Uh-oh. Press that button right there in the middle. Right there, Jack. This one here. Right there. Oops. This one here. Whoop. Oh. That's Grandma's Strumps.